Welcome, entrepreneurs and business owners, to our comprehensive QuickBooks Online tutorial. In this guide, we'll delve into the tools and strategies to streamline your small business accounting using QuickBooks Online. From managing expenses to invoicing, stay tuned to simplify your financial tasks. In this section, we'll explore the fundamentals of QuickBooks Online. We'll cover how to navigate the platform, set up your account, and understand its key features. Let's begin by discussing the dashboard, chart of accounts, and the importance of accurate financial data. Here, we'll guide you on how to set up your small business on QuickBooks Online. We'll cover creating profiles for your business, adding customers and vendors, and customizing invoices. Learn how to set up payment gateways and integrate bank accounts seamlessly. Managing your income and expenses is crucial. We'll dive into categorizing transactions, recording income, and handling expenses efficiently. Learn the importance of reconciling accounts and utilizing the banking feature for easy tracking. Unlock the power of reports and analytics. Understand how to generate insightful reports, interpret financial data, and use these insights to make informed business decisions. We'll cover profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and customized reports for your specific needs. Enhance your QuickBooks experience by integrating third-party apps that complement your business needs. Discover time-saving tips and shortcuts within the platform, such as automating tasks, scheduling payments, and using mobile features on the go. Explore the advanced features that QuickBooks Online offers. We'll delve into customization options, such as creating custom fields, setting up advanced preferences, and utilizing shortcuts for quicker navigation. Discover how to tailor the platform to suit your business's unique needs. Efficiently manage your inventory through QuickBooks Online. Learn how to track inventory, adjust stock levels, and optimize inventory reports. Understand the significance of using inventory management tools to maintain a streamlined supply chain. Handling payroll and employee management can be simplified through QuickBooks Online. We'll cover setting up payroll, paying employees, handling tax forms, and managing employee data. Learn how to streamline this crucial aspect of your business effortlessly. Prepare for tax season with ease using QuickBooks Online. We'll guide you through the process of generating tax reports, organizing deductible expenses, and ensuring compliance. Understand how to use the platform to simplify tax-related tasks. Discover the advantages of cloud-based accounting and the security measures in place within QuickBooks Online. Learn about data encryption, backup features, and the flexibility of accessing your financial data from anywhere. Understand how secure your information is in the cloud. Building strong relationships with your customers and vendors is essential. We'll explore how QuickBooks Online aids in managing customer information, tracking interactions, and managing vendor details. Learn how to optimize these relationships for better business outcomes. Plan for the future with QuickBooks Online's budgeting and forecasting tools. We'll dive into creating budgets, forecasting financial scenarios, and using these insights for strategic decision-making. Learn how to set financial goals and track progress efficiently. Discover the power of QuickBooks Online's mobile app. Explore its functionalities, including invoicing on the go, capturing receipts, and staying updated with real-time financial data. Learn how this app can help you manage your business from anywhere. Encounter and solve common issues within QuickBooks Online. We'll address troubleshooting methods for common problems, providing insights on resolving errors, handling technical glitches, and optimizing the platform's performance. Enhance your QuickBooks experience by continuously learning and engaging with the community. Discover resources for ongoing education, forums for discussing queries, and ways to stay updated with the latest features and improvements. Learn to track billable hours and manage projects efficiently within QuickBooks Online. We'll explore the time tracking feature, project progress monitoring, and integrating this data into your financial reports for accurate invoicing and profitability analysis. Manage subscriptions, billing cycles, and recurring payments effectively. Discover how to handle subscriptions, set up automatic billing, and ensure a seamless billing process for your clients through QuickBooks Online. Optimize collaboration and control access within your team using QuickBooks Online. Learn how to set user permissions, share access with your team, and collaborate on financial tasks while maintaining security and confidentiality. Explore how QuickBooks Online can help scale your business. We'll discuss strategies for growth, optimizing resources, and utilizing the platform's tools to support your expanding business operations. Learn to seamlessly integrate your e-commerce and online sales platforms with QuickBooks Online. Discover how to sync transactions, track sales, and manage finances from your online sales channels within the platform. Expand your business globally using QuickBooks Online's multi-currency features. Understand how to manage international transactions, handle foreign currencies, and streamline financial reporting across borders. Thank you for joining us in this in-depth QuickBooks Online tutorial. We hope you feel more empowered to handle your small business accounting effortlessly. Remember, by mastering QuickBooks Online, you're on the path to streamlining your financial management.